to
try Starbucks.
Oh, we had it before.
Yes, but we're gonna try them items freshly baked.
Okay. Well,
What do you
today
have?
I have the bacon egg bites.
I have the breakfast sandwich with egg and bacon and cheese.
Oh, and it's a cheese Danish. You want to see it? Hold on, wait. A cheese Danish.
And we have a mango dragon fruit refresher with lemonade.
And I have a strawberry acai lemonade. Add peach juice with very light ice.
Peach juice with very light ice.
It's very good. You should try it. You okay?
So we're gonna tell you guys how this food is and get right into it.
Get right into it.
Get right into it. Bacon egg bites. Try it, Mom.
Eat it.
Yum.
It's a little hot.
Yum.
It's a little hot.
Then we have the sandwich.
It look like you ate it already.
The
You-
Starbucks ate it, but it's okay. We're hungry. Try it, Mom.
They gave you a bit sandwich.
How does it taste, Mom? It's good. It's good. Let me try it. Delicious.
You gonna get the whole one?
She already ate it, but I just try.
A cheese Danish, guys. Puh. Spit it out. What's puh? And here goes my drink.
Is that cream cheese?
Kimchi?
Is that cream cheese?
What?
Is that cream cheese? Huh?
Yeah. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Delicious.
Have a good Monday, guys. I need to be. Have a good Monday, guys.